99% of Americans fail this in 5 seconds. Can you get 10 out of 10? Let's find out. Question 1. What is the smallest U.S. state by land area? A. Delaware. B. Rhode Island. C. Connecticut. Think fast. The answer is Rhode Island. Which state is the closest to Africa? A. Florida. B. Maine. C. North Carolina. Think fast. The answer is Maine. Most eastern state in the U.S. A. Maine. B. Alaska. C. Florida. Think fast. The answer is Alaska. Only state with a non-rectangular flag? A. Ohio. B. Utah. C. Tennessee. Think fast. The answer is Ohio. State with the most active volcanoes? A. Hawaii. B. Alaska. C. Washington. Think fast. The answer is Alaska. Which state has the most lighthouses? A. Maine. B. Michigan. C. Florida. Think fast. The answer is Michigan. Only state named after a U.S. president? A. Washington. B. Lincoln. C. Jefferson. Think fast. The answer is Washington. Which state was an independent republic? A. Texas. B. Vermont. C. Both A and B. Think fast. The answer is both A and B. Which state has a unicameral legislature? A. Nebraska. B. Vermont. C. Maine. Think fast. The answer is Nebraska. Which state has no natural lakes? A. Maryland. B. Delaware. C. Kansas. Think fast. The answer is Maryland.